Happy Monday everybody, welcome back to German AutoHaus. In this vlog, Happy Monday everybody, welcome back to German AutoHaus. We specialize on supercar repair and some cool stuff like a dyno tune, performance and many more. Subscribe to our channel, you get the more cool video content and some trick for supercar repair. This week we already, last week we already start work on this beautiful, super low miles, gated Audi R8. I think something around 3,000 miles on the clock. Let's say, oh, 4. Let's say 4.
3800?
Yeah, you can see the manual transmission. It's really good car, cool car, but that car has some problem. We don't know actually what happens. They have little bit flooded. It's like a water flood damage, but car looks good. I didn't see the car swim in Pacific Ocean or East Coast, Atlantic Ocean. Anyway, car came with a misfire, and the car came from dealer, official, right? Official dealer. Yeah, and they diagnosed this car. They say it's a problem with it's a broken valve spring. This is what they say. And then second party technician they diagnosed too, and he say just like they say, yeah, there's a problem with the valve spring. They do something, they reassembled a lot of things. Car came to us, the owner say, hey guys, I know what the problem, please replace the valve spring. Well, okay, we didn't film this. We pull out and check, the valve spring is good. But guys, it's not our business, because the owner say they know completely the problem. Then we assembled everything back, and actually you can see what's going on. Eli, can you hold for me please the gate, because maybe it's like start, we not installed the proper. Yeah, you can see how his car moves. It's like a misfire. And the misfire came from this bank. This is you see how is the engine shaking. Shut it down. And this is the misfire from cylinder number 8. We do the troubleshooting, we check everything, and now actually you can see, let me grab guys few seconds. I will grab the flashlight and I will show you the two ECUs. This is original, you can see this one, this is a part number Audi 420. This is left and this is right. We found no pulls on injector number 8. No pulls. Well, we have for Lamborghini and for R8 we have like a test ECU, because so many problems in that ECUs, and we have a test ECUs. We clone, plug in, no misfire. And now you can see we already have a different ECU already upload. Oh, let me remove the ignition key. And this is original ECU. In this time we only have, you can see the part number, we only have Lamborghini Gallardo ECU. You can see that this is the different part number, like start from 400, this is 420. We already upload all infos from this car, already check everything, and now you can see how is that car run after these things. No misfire. this is what I want to say, guys. Always diagnose properly, because now it's customer lose a little bit money on that reassembling and check the valve spring. I mean, I feel bad because if he asks us to make sure this is the issue what the dealer diagnosed and they not trust to dealer, probably we found the problem before start some pulling apart, because 3,000 miles it's really early for that valve spring, but it happens. But this is just like misdiagnosed. Anyway, car is fixed. We just need to assemble it back a little bit. Took that car to test drive, make sure everything is good, and return the car to customer. Second, our baby come back. Our baby come back. And if you remember from a few previous vlog, I would like to post that video. The engine is knocking. Yeah, we replaced the turbos, and in that time the engine sucked a lot of engine oil, and probably it's bent or damaged, or bent connecting rod, or damaged the valve connecting rod bearing, because after like less than couple days, customer took this car to test drive, whatever. He start knocking. He decided to sell this car, but nobody pay good number for this car. And now we have an engine. We have a complete used engine, low miles, like less than 8,000, I believe. And we need to swap this engine on this beautiful 488. This is our plan for this week. Well, start work with a beautiful, and always I say every single car is beautiful, because this is supercar and high performance car. We not start, we continue work with this guy. And now you can see how to swap engine from Ferrari. It's a rear clip, let's say like that. It's complete drivetrain from the end, transmission, engine, turbos, like suspension, and here we go. And you can see what's going on inside. The welder is not on. I mean, we need to weld something like this. See? Yeah, now is our goal. Bring the second engine. We can see what kind of part we need to transfer. Huh? The second?
1, 2, 3.
Oh no! I mean the second, the donor engine. Yeah, this is like so many engines. We have one big container full of the engine, like from Audi's, McLaren's, like 3 or 4 McLaren's engine. Yeah, here is how this thing looks. Of course, I really wanna pull apart and check what actually happens. It's really interesting, but guys, we know these turbos and this side bring the problem. Okay. Guys, the engine is already in. This is the old one, and of course I would like to pull apart and check what actually happens, but the other one is already connected to transmission, almost everything connected back, and now time to come to new home. I hope the new home is gonna be good. But like actually we don't know. The car is equipped with the cutlass downpipe. It's a cutlass downpipe. Do you see that? We'll see. Yeah, now it's just all installation, checking, bleeding. A lot of things need to do. Let's start. Well, the engine is already in. We fill engine oil and coolant, power steering. We don't want to assemble it body panels back, but we have to fire up before this. We need to check if that engine is good or not. It's really interesting. Okay, let's try. Let's try. One more time.
One time.
Yeah, the battery is dead. Let's charge. Well, the battery being charged. Let's try again. Okay, crank. But car is running. Funny. A lot of smoke. Well, yesterday you can see a lot of smoke coming out. It's just like we have cloud everywhere. Our neighbor thinks like something we catch fire, but no. I think the car from that engine from car what is flip over and maybe just like intake and turbo sucked little bit engine oil, but after the car run like a couple 3-4 minutes, it's go away. Now you can see guys how is the engine run. Perfect. A slow miles engine actually. Nice. And the last things, I have to check the oil level. If you remember guys, engine running, car is warm. Yeah, the maximum. Nice. Yeah, only engine not idle.
And fully warmed up.
Yeah, and fully warmed up for sure. And we need to recharge the AC system. It's a new style refrigerant. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 2 machine. Expensive, but nothing what we can do. Car is good. Back to customer really soon. Maybe next vlog. If I have a time, I would like to pull apart to check what happens, but I think I know. Anyway, this project is done. You can see guys, everything is good. We already do all adaptation, adjustment, everything perfect.